Hey, this is Rob with Go Find a Way. If you have a CB, you need a place to mount the handle that's, well, handy without being in the way. This is the RedRock 4x4 CB mount. Should be just the ticket. It attaches to the passenger grab bar of any 2011 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK, and it's just 30 bucks. So let's install it. So installation is real simple. This just comes off. Use a plastic pry bar. I already got it going, but it's super simple. Gently. It looks like it has bolts in there, but it does not. Then you take a wrench, and there's a bolt on this side and a bolt on this side, and you take those out, and then we've got the mounting device is going to go on this side and a spacer on this side. Now we have our mounting bracket and our spacer in place, and just have to fit this in. And get the bolts going. And tighten them both up. All right, so we've got this back in place, and we're just going to tighten these up. You got to make sure you get the spacer the right way. If you have it upside down, you'll be able to see the difference. The fit is not perfect, but it's good enough for who it's for. And then this, likewise, make sure it's, so you see how it's sort of tilted up. You can see how it fits. You want to make sure you get it in the right position before you tighten. And that is all there is to that. And we just line this up and snap it back in. I think the hardest part of this was prying this thing off without causing damage. And there we have it. We are installed and ready to go. I wanted to show you what this looks like from the driver's side. I can reach it without stretching. Very handy. And the cord goes down to a junction box under the glove box, out of the way of the passenger's feet. So it looks like we found a way. If you like what you saw here, we hope you'll hit the subscribe button down at the bottom. And this is Rob for Go Find a Way.